Hi, my name is Lydia and I'm with HRSC Race LLC Navigators in Nebraska. In 2018, Medicaid Expansion was voted on by the public in Nebraska to be offered to people who were not considered for Medicaid previously before. On October 1st of 2020, finally Medicaid Expansion is coming to fruition, and it's called Heritage Health Adult, which will be offered to over 90,000 Nebraskans who would have regularly not qualified for Medicaid. This is going to open a lot of opportunities for the public in Nebraska to be able to obtain the health coverage that they need to support them and their families, and they previously were not considered for that. Before Medicaid Expansion, when I first started working as a navigator in Nebraska, I was helping with the application process for a certain consumer who had multiple disabilities. He was also homeless. He was also not considered for Medicaid Expansion, even though he was younger than 26, because he was adopted out of foster care before he aged out. So he had no resources available to him so that he was able to get the proper procedure that he needed that was going to help him to be able to walk. And now that expanded Medicaid is going to be offered in Nebraska, he, along with a lot of other people who have dealt with the complexities of dealing with Nebraska Medicaid before expanded Medicaid, should qualify for this new expansion, which will offer them a lot of different resources regarding their healthcare options for them and their families. Assisters, for me, I've learned that we're kind of a necessary resource for anyone who's dealing with the complexities of the application process or just has questions generally about what kind of coverage is offered to them, what this coverage means, needs resources in their community to see different things that can be offered to them based on their circumstances. And we're a free service. We're certified federally by the government, and we have extensive training in the application process of Medicaid. So for something as new as Heritage Health Adult, we want to be available for any consumers who have questions and give them a neutral and impartial atmosphere that they can feel free to ask questions and feel free to ask personal questions, and everything will be confidential between us. And at the end of the process, they would choose from their own what kind of coverage would work best for them and their families. Right now, since August 1st of 2020, they have been accepting applications for the new Nebraska Expanded Medicaid Heritage Health Adult, and coverage can start as early as October 1st, 2020. If you are interested to see if you qualify, you can visit accessnebraska.ne.gov or call 855-632-7633 to see if you qualify. If you're needing assistance through the application process or just wanting some general healthcare education regarding expanded Medicaid in Nebraska, you can visit enroll-ne.org and go to the second tab that is labeled Find Local Help and look at the map and see which assister would be closest to you. Give them a call, set up an appointment, and for a free service, no charge to you, we can assist you with all of the questions that you need answered for your coverage.